today marked my hair, my micro twist 2 months completed. This video is being recorded on February 15th 2022, and my locks were done in December 15th. I have not touched it, I haven't retwisted, I haven't done anything to it. The only thing I did was washing it after I did my room, because it was just full of dust and paint. After I washed it, I realized that I don't want to go through that, because you know they're twists, so they were unfolding and all that. I said, okay, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it until 6 months. So I have 4 months to go, and I know it's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be hectic, and I'm gonna need a lot of patience. But guess what, I got this. I've been praying for it, and I got it. I got the patience, and I'm not retwisting my hair for 4 more months, which is why I thought that it would be best to put it in a protective style. I only got one because I don't plan on doing it too long, and this is my first time doing this, obviously, because this is my first time having locks. So I just want to see how it goes. Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. I'm gonna give you a little update on my hair. I have noticed that some of them were, trying to like get together, but they're not gonna get together. They're gonna get a divorce, because I don't want none of them mixing up. But this is how my hair looks after 2 months. I don't know what is that. After 2 months, this is how my hair looks, and now I'm going to be braiding them and leave them for, I don't know, another 4 months. Next thing I'm going to do is try to part them as much as possible. To do this, I usually FaceTime myself on the MacBook. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. Everything is set. I just felt like I had to show my setup for a minute. Like, my braids are already cut, and then this is the setup I'm using right now. That's the same setup I used to actually do my locks. That's how I was able to see everything. I just felt like I had to share, so I can see everything, as you can see. So yeah, this is the setup I'm using right now, and I'm just gonna keep going. I am almost done. I only have these 3 left. I'm just going to show you how I did one of them. For some reason, each time I'm doing my hair, I always find myself doing the rubber band method. Like, it's always just so much easier for me. I always find myself just ending up doing it instead. So this is how my hair looks at the end. to be honest, I'm really surprised on how well the bottom looks, the roots look, because remember, my hair is twisted. I have MICRO-LOCS under these, so the way it looks, it doesn't look too bumpy. And I do use a lot of these and rubber bands as well to keep them intact. But to be honest, like, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all, and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, this is how it looks. I will show you a short video of everything at the end, but this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that I get to do this journey with you guys, so come back for next week.